If you want to quickly rotate an image in Photoshop, whether it's a single layer or your entire canvas, this tutorial will walk you through both methods step by step. By the end, you'll know how to freely rotate an image, snap it to exact angles, and fix a sideways photo in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Let's start with the first method, which is rotating a single image or layer. This is the best option when you only want to rotate one object inside your project without changing the rest of the document. First, go to your Layers panel and click the layer that contains the image you want to rotate. This is important because Photoshop will only transform the selected layer. Once your layer is selected, press Ctrl and T on Windows or Command and T on Mac. This opens Free Transform, which gives you control handles around your image. You'll see a box with corner points around the layer, and this is what you'll use to rotate it. Now move your cursor just outside one of the corner handles. When you position it correctly, the cursor changes into a curved two-sided arrow. That tells you Photoshop is ready to rotate the layer. Click and drag your mouse to spin the image in whatever direction you want. If you want a more precise rotation, here's a very useful pro tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging, and Photoshop will snap the rotation into neat 15-degree increments. That makes it much easier to line things up perfectly, whether you want 45 degrees, 90 degrees, or another clean angle. Once you're happy with the rotation, press Enter on your keyboard or click the check mark in the top options bar to apply the change. That commits the transformation and locks in the new angle. Now let's move to the second method, which is rotating the entire canvas. This is the one you want if you imported a photo that's sideways, upside down, or just needs the whole document reoriented. Instead of rotating one layer, this changes the view and layout of the full image workspace. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click Image, then hover over Image Rotation. You'll see several rotation options appear. If you choose 180 degrees, Photoshop will flip the entire canvas upside down. If you choose 90 degrees clockwise, the image will rotate to the right. If you choose 90 degrees counterclockwise, it will rotate to the left. There's also an arbitrary option, which is perfect if you need a custom rotation angle. This lets you type in an exact degree value and choose the direction so you can fine-tune the orientation instead of relying on preset angles. So, to recap, use Free Transform when you only want to rotate one layer, and use Image Rotation when you want to rotate the whole canvas. That simple difference can save you a lot of time and help you edit much more efficiently. If this Photoshop tip helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.